Hey, to change startup programs on Windows 11, all you have to do is click on the search menu in the taskbar. From here, search Startup. From here, click Enter. As you can see, from this section we can find all the apps that are set to turn on during startup. If you look at the top right corner, there's a Sort By option. I recommend sorting by status, so you can easily see which apps are enabled or disabled at startup. For example, if I want to stop the software from launching automatically, I just click on the switch. Now, this application will no longer start up with Windows. But if I want to enable an app like Microsoft Teams, I can simply turn the switch on, and it will be activated at startup. And to change startup programs on Windows 11 using Task Manager, here's what you need to do. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details at the bottom left. Now go to the Startup Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications that run when Windows starts. Each app will also show its current status, whether it's enabled or disabled, and the impact it has on startup performance. If you want to stop an app from starting automatically, simply right-click on it and choose Disable. For example, if I want to stop software from launching at startup, I just right-click it and hit Disable. On the other hand, if you want to allow an app to run at startup, right-click it and choose Enable. For instance, enabling Microsoft OneDrive is as easy as right-clicking and selecting Enable. And that's it. You now know how to manage your startup programs directly from Task Manager. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.